Breann Wilber, BRNN
And you testified previously in this trial, is that correct?
Yes.
And during that testimony, just to orient that for the jury, you provided some testimony, as well as some Snapchat photographs of when you arrived at the High Bridge on February 13th of 2017. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then you also provided a Snapchat photo with a timestamp of when you had a picture on a bench as you were leaving the High Bridge Trail. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also have a Snapchat photo from when you arrived at Freedom Bridge?
Yes.
And would Freedom Bridge be the first bridge that you would come to as?
Yes, if we were walking from town, we would hit Freedom Bridge first.
Okay. Judge, may I approach?
You may.
Ms. Wilber, I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 318. It has 2 pages. Please take a look at both. Do you recognize those photographs?
Yes.
And what do you recognize them as?
It is Freedom Bridge, a picture that I took on the day of February 13th, 2017.
Judge, the state would move to admit Exhibit 318 and publish it to the jury. State's Exhibit 318 offered.
Preliminary question.
Yes.
When did you provide this to the state?
Like the first time I gave it to them, or
Yeah.
to Stacy, or just in the beginning?
To Stacy.
I'm not sure the exact date, but
Was it since your testimony?
say that again.
Was it since your testimony or before then?
It was before.
Okay. And do you know how much time before?
Maybe the first time we talked. It was when I sent her the pictures.
Okay.
I don't know the exact date.
I don't have any objection.
All right. Without objection, 318 is admitted.
I'm sorry, what was the number?
318. 318.
Thank you.
Ms. Wilber, would this be?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Judge.
They're not done yet. Okay, now you may proceed.
So this photograph indicates that you arrived at 12:25 p.m. on February 13th of 2017. Is that correct?
Yes.
And so this picture was in sequence with the other pictures that you provided. Is that correct?
Yes.
While you were walking, did you walk from Freedom Bridge toward High Bridge that day?
Yes.
And during that time, did you see any other young girls your age?
No, I did not.
Or younger?
I did not.
Okay. Did you see any man that would resemble the picture of bridge guy we discussed previously?
I did not.
I have no other questions.
Mr. Baldwin.
Thank you. That's a good memory for 7.5 years ago. Is that, so your memory is on the day that school was out, that there were no other children on the High Bridge or on the trail?
Not that I recall, nothing.
Did you see any?
Nothing sticked out to me to make me want to memorize.
Okay. Is that something that you would normally do, is look around and note different people and put that in your brain for later?
If it gives me a reason to remember it or gives me a feeling, but if not, I won't recall.
So you don't remember if there were any other kids from high school walking in and around the trail that time that you were there?
I don't recall.
Okay. No other questions.
Ms. Diener.
Ms. Wilber, you were questioned pretty close in time to February 13th of 2017, were you not?
I was.
And you became aware that very same day that Libby and Abby were missing, is that correct?
Yes.
And so does the events of February 13th, 2017, cause that day to stick out in your mind?
Yes.
And did you give law enforcement a statement of what you saw that day close in time?
Yes.
No other questions.
Mr. Baldwin.
But the focus of the police was at the end of your timeline, the 2 o'clock. What time was it when you were at that bench?
Without looking at the picture, I don't know the exact time.
But it was later in the day, 2 to 2 p.m. or something.
It could have been around there, I don't remember.
Yeah. And so between.
Judge, I'm gonna object to him inserting a time when she just indicated that she would have to look at the picture to know that particular time, because he's not quoting it accurately.
Response.
It's fine, I will rephrase.
Thank you.
Whatever the evidence is about that bench photo, if it's 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whatever time it is, that was the focus of the police. It wasn't your interactions at the beginning of your time on that trail, was it?
They asked me about that, but we focused more towards the end, as that's what sticked out to me.
Right. Thank you.
No response or indication from any juror.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Wilber. You may step down.
Judge, may we release this witness from her subpoena?
Yes.
And you are free to go as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
You may call your next witness.
Judge, State of Indiana would call Breann.
Witness sworn.
Thank you, Judge. Will you state your name, please?